Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Nicolas Riascos. I'm going to talk about Carlos, my friend. My friend Carlos, when he was a child, liked to play in the sand and run with foot. He loves to bathe in the salty waters of the sea and wear appropriate clothes. Carlos didn't like to wear red clothes and he didn't like to smell, lest to lend his toy. He didn't like the fish soup and the chicken rice except the sweet dreams. Carlo was a boy who liked to study hard and make good friends, and he also liked to paint. When Carlo was a child, he couldn't go out in the sun because he got sick and he couldn't sit and play a lot of because he had a heart problem. When Carlo was already an adult, he liked to experiment a lot, go out, dancing, cook, interact with others. He didn't like to exercise and even less hang out with women. He also loved to play soccer, but he didn't like to play baseball. Thank you very much.